Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to another moto vlog. Typically my videos have a lot of talking throughout, but I just wanted to let you know that the first few minutes of this will just be some awesome follow cam footage from my friend Moto Mills. He's riding his Husqvarna FC450 following me on my KTM 150 SX. So the first few minutes of this video is just going to be that footage with not a whole lot of talking, but it'll get more into a moto vlog style later on. Alright, let's get right into it. Hope you enjoy the video.
Hey, juggling. Fun laps, man. It's hard as concrete out here, but we're having fun with it. take a breather already.
Quick.
I am?
You're quick, dude.
Hey, I like to hear that coming from Taylor. Trying to keep up with you, seriously, has taught me throughout the years
Dude, you're quick.
to ride a lot better. Like,
Your corner speed coming out of the turns is fast, dude.
way better than it used to be. I also come to this track.
Yeah, you got home advantage.
Yeah, I got home advantage here. Go at your pace, man. I'll follow you from a safe distance, all right? He went like straight up in the eye. I saw him try to do a little brake tap. Heck yeah! So this is my buddy Josh in front of me on a CR125. I didn't know which lane we were going. That was almost bad. If you watch my old videos, you would see that I have a bunch of videos with him. Oh my God, it's dusty today. That's insane. It's like, honestly, this is kind of dangerous. I mean, I literally can't see anything at all. Wow. It feels like we're just flying into the abyss of nothingness with this dust, dude. But we always have fun. Always. Getting awfully close to these guys, man. Oh, two-stroke screaming through the woods, baby. Sounds so good. Woo!
Alright guys, so that wraps up this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, please hit that like button. And if you want to see more content from me, please hit the subscribe button. Otherwise, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.